mining.com.au is coming to you once again from the floor of the Noosa Mining Conference. Sitting next to me is Matt Healy, the CEO of Venari Minerals. Matt, it's a pleasure to see you in the flesh. How are you?
Yeah, good to see you, Shae. I'm good, thanks.
Now, exciting times happening at your Red Mountain project and your Needles Gold project, but I do believe you've just put an announcement out talking about some soil anomalies were found at the Red Mountain project.
It's the Needles.
Oh, it's the Needles. There you go, caught out. But these are really important because they're away from the drilling, aren't they? So is this indicating that there's more mineralisation than you realised?
Yeah, this project has had a number of historical explorers, and it was also explored under previous management of the company. But no one had ever done a soil grid over the campaign. It's usually something, over the project, I should say. It's something you usually do early phase exploration. So we've done this, and what it's done is identified 6 completely new, untested soil anomalies. And it's actually away from the existing drilling. So it's really opened up the southern end of the project and has given us some more targets to go and have a look at.
That's awesome news. It's always great to see that the potential, remains untapped. Now, you were recently on site. Mate, what was it like on the ground?
Yeah, it's the US is very busy at the moment. I mean, I was there in October last year. April, the vibe changed, and in September, it's just going gangbusters over there. It's hard to get a rig. The labs are chockers. It's hard to get consumables, geologists, you name it.
Okay.
So it's very great for the industry, but it does present some challenges. We have, we're waiting on assays for both our Red Mountain project and our Needles project, and they're taking longer than we would have liked, but it's just the reality of the situation.
Now, I just want to take it back to the Needles project because quite tantalising results here. You mentioned that there's some pathway minerals that you found in these soil anomalies. What are they and what do they indicate?
So these soil anomalies have gold and silver, but they've also got antimony, arsenic, and mercury. Now, the significance of those is that in these kinds of deposits, you'll end up with your gold and your antimony are close together. Your arsenic, you sort of see in a bit of a halo around the outside, and mercury actually tends to sit above the mineralized zone because these deposits form through boiling. That's what drops the gold and silver out, and the mercury turns into a vapor and goes up above and it settles in the soil above. So seeing mercury in the soil is actually a really good indicator that to look straight below. But to get antimony and arsenic means you're pretty close by to gold mineralization. So that's also a very good indicator. So we've got every single one of these new anomalies is multi-component. So we've got some of those indicator minerals.
I love it when I get a free geology lesson. I'll never say no to it. But just to sort of indicate the potential here, is soil anomalies, they're quite shallow. You're not digging particularly deep and you're already finding these positive indicators.
Yeah, that's right. So you're really only digging down 20 centimetres, take a bit of soil, you sieve it and send it off the lab. So that if you're getting that in the soil, that's come from somewhere. So and look, it can be a little bit complicated. Sometimes I might have shed it off a hill, or sometimes it's directly beneath where the soil is. So that's the next step. Typically, we're going to go out and have a look on the ground, and we need to try and work out where this stuff is coming from. Maybe do some rock chipping, and then follow up drilling.
All right. Well, that takes me to obviously we've got 6 weeks to the end of the 6 working weeks to the end of the year. You've got a lot coming in the next couple of weeks. What can investors keep their eye out for? How are you tracking your progress?
Sure. So we've got 8 holes from Needles, and we were targeting high-grade gold, silver, vein-style targets there. We're still waiting on the assay results for those. I'm really hoping to start getting them to come through next week. We've got Red Mountain ones in there as well. We've got 13 holes, and those will start coming through next week as well, I think. And those are going to feed into a maiden mineral resource, which we're aiming to get out by the end of the year. And also on top of that, we've got some metallurgical test work trying to demonstrate that we can produce battery-grade lithium carbonate from the Red Mountain project. And so, finishing up the year, lithium market coming back. It's, I think we're really hitting our stride at the right time.
Look, I'm certainly very excited to see what comes out of the ground. Matt, thank you so much for your time today, and I look forward to the next catch-up.
Thanks, Shae.